Hello, if you're looking for a beautiful, elegant updo that's easy to recreate, you're in the right place. Before I start, this video is sponsored by Luxy Hair, and I'm wearing their seamless clip-ins in Bronde Balayage. These are so comfortable and they blend really beautifully. So I start with the 3-clip behind the ears, then a 4-clip above, another 4-clip about an inch higher, and 2 single clips at temple height angled back. Now, extensions aren't required, but they do really help elevate styles like this, especially if your hair is fine or layered. I'll link everything below along with my discount code. For the updo, start by pulling out face framing pieces for a softer look, and then smooth everything back and gather your hair into a ponytail at ear height. Hold the ponytail in your left hand, and with your right hand, thumb on top, grab the ponytail from underneath. Tightly twist the ponytail counterclockwise 2 times as you bring it to the top of your head. Then, with your left hand, tighten the twist by pushing and tucking it underneath itself. Now, secure the twist with either bobby pins or a DIY bungee. I'm using one today. It's just 2 bobby pins on an elastic. Slide the first pin into the top right of your twist, pull your elastic across, and slide in the second pin to hold in place. Then slide a few French pins along the twist for extra security. Now, take your ends and flip them under to the right to form a bun. Fan it out slightly and make sure that you can see it from the front before pinning it into place. Now, smooth your ends and divide them into 2 sections, a top and a bottom. Now, take the top section, bring it across the twist to the left, and fold it, and then pin that fold into place. Now, gently pinch and pull to add dimension, lightly tease the base of your bangs for fullness, and then lock everything in with hairspray. Now, this is one of my favorite updos I've done so far, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.